Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. I'm going to look at swing trading Forex today. Recently I made a video on swing trading stocks using our ultimate bundle of swing trading tools. I want to show you still how effective they are for swing trading Forex. One of the biggest things that you have to do when swing trading stocks or Forex is a multiple time frame approach. And this is where this set of indicators come in. So this is GBPUSD. I'm on the daily, the 30-minute and the 15-minute time frame. Now some people might use 4 hour instead of daily, and that's fine. I just wanted to show you this example using these indicators. So I'm going to go through the various trades and the various indicators. So first of all, let me just expand this. So this is the TradingView versions of this swing trading toolbox, if you like, these indicators. So first of all, I'm going to look at the daily time frame on GBPUSD and talk about this fifth wave move on the daily, okay, which started really around about sort of mid-October 2020, and is still going strong right now. First of all, I want to talk about some of the indicators in this toolbox. So we've got the ElliottWave first, okay, that's one of the bigger ones. So first of all, when we get a wave 4 pullback, we measure that pullback with the ElliottWave indicator suite. First thing is these probability pullback zones, the green, the amber, the red. So this particular wave 4 pulled back and found support in the amber zone. That represents an 80% probability it's going to go on and hit that fifth wave target. Okay, it's automated the fifth wave target. Also down below we have the false breakout stochastic down at the bottom here. You can see during the wave 3 we've got these little yellow dots form in the overbought zone. That denotes a strong bullish trend. So during a wave 4, if that wave 4 pulls back and the stochastic pulls back and crosses over in that oversold zone, which it does here, there's a likelihood it wants to return to that main bullish trend in that overbought zone and having those false breakouts. So that's a good sign that wave 4 has behaved well. Then just above there we've got the ElliottWave oscillator. We can see during the wave 3 we got a nice move up on this profile, green profile, and then you can see on the wave 4 the profile wasn't as big. We pulled back and now it's gone long again. So there's a little things we talk about entry here. So one of the next indicators we talk about is this the bias indicator. So this represents whether the higher time frame, it automatically works it out, is either bearish, neutral, or even bullish. And we have a neutral which is yellow, we have bullish which is green, and bearish which is red. So one of the things we talk about here is when this wave 4 pulls back, we see we go straight to bearish, but then we start to go, our bias on the higher time frame is bullish. So this gives us a really good indication that we should be really looking for this long now. This wave 4 pullback is over and we need to be looking for that long. So some of the other things that we look at here is we've got the xBratAlgo on there, which actually gives us signals to go long. You know, whether you're on a fifth wave move or on that third wave move, you will see those signals, 5-6 star buys and sells. So let's zoom in a little bit here. So we've confirmed and we've measured that pullback. We're looking for a fifth wave move. The bias is good, it's gone bullish. We're looking for a signal. xBrat gives us that signal there. And we can go long, aggressive. We also got 2 EMA Clouds in grey and in purple or pink or whatever you want to call it. These are on the 55 and the 89 for this particular time frame. So these are used for non-linear support and resistance zones, really used for managing those trades. But we also want to make sure we're above this EMA Cloud here when we're entering. So we've got the EMA Cloud confirming that we're entering. We've got the bullish bias, the wave 4's performed. Now we've got that xBratAlgo 5-star buy. We go long, okay? We go long and we use either the 89 EMA Cloud as a conservative trading stop position, or a more aggressive or moderate is this 55-day, and it has to close below. And as you can see here, this entry around about the 12th of October 2020 on this long on GBP US dollar, once we start to clear that initial entry, we can see the 89 never gets a close below, neither does the 55, and they're starting to move apart. So now we're more confident no closes below the 55. We are still in this trade right now, on this swing trade on Forex. So that entry was around about 130833. We're at 138440. So a fair number of pips there. So again, swing trading on that daily time frame. But what about those other time frames? What about the harmonic? Okay, so again, daily time frame is great for swing trading, but also don't forget, we can swing trade off a 15-minute. If we swing it over 3 days, it's a swing trade. So during this time, when the fifth wave target on this left-hand chart on the daily hits the fifth wave target zone, sometimes we do get little pullbacks, but those pullbacks could last for 2 or 3 days, and that they are trading opportunities as well. If we want to short there. So what I've done is on the middle chart here, that just go big now. So that 3-day period is this period here. We get a harmonic pattern, a BAT pattern, auto-complete in the automated completion zone where this D pivot is here. That indicates there's a strong possibility that we are going to get bearish trades. It's coloured in red. So we don't get a signal there, but what it's doing is telling you that, hey, you should be looking for bearish trades here. So then when we go down to the 15-minute time frame, in that same time span, if you like, we get a 4 and a 5-star sell. Okay, we get the sell signal on the xBratAlgo. This time the EMA Cloud set to 34 because we're on a shorter time frame. This 5-star sell here, okay, we get in at 13667. Okay, it's below the EMA Cloud, and then we just use the EMA Cloud to manage this trade. It actually closes above that EMA Cloud on the 18th. The trade went in on the 15th. 3 days. Swing trading. We've used a different set of indicators now rather than the ElliottWave. Part of this trading toolbox. We've had a confirmation on the 30-minute that we should be looking for bearish with that harmonic pattern completing. Then on the 15-minute we have those signals. Okay, so confirmation is from that harmonic and the signals. But look at the bias indicator here. So when we get the 4-star sell, we're just going from green to red, and we go back to green again. Then we get this 5-star sell. The bias is red. It's bearish. We're going. Okay, then if we move on, we get 4 and 5-star buys. Okay, we get 4 and 5-star buys on the 18th. We're going above that EMA Cloud. Our bias is bullish. Then we're going. We're going. Okay, and it just keeps going. So again, we're using that multiple time frame strategy, a set of tools which gets us in different types of swing trades. So whether the xBratAlgo, the harmonic pattern, or even the ElliottWave, and then we're using the bias for confirmation, and we're using then the EMA Clouds to keep us in that trade, to trail that stop. Either you can be aggressive, conservative, or even moderate, and all of those can change. So hopefully this goes to show you how powerful this swing trading bundle is on the TradingView platform for Forex. Swing trading just isn't for stocks. So hopefully this is a highlight that swing trading Forex, as long as you keep that risk controlled, you can get some really great looking trades using this swing trading bundle of trading indicators that we have on globaltradingsoftware.com.